Brothers and sisters, what's up? Jeremy Powell, the head of the Fed, right now gave a strict warning that this economy is forever changed because of the pandemic. Are you prepared? Most people don't know Jeremy Powell, but they know of the Federal Reserve. They control the money supply, they control interest rates, and they have a direct impact on your life and mine. They are saying right now that this economy, even though the stock market is going up, people are making money, people are trading on, freaking Robinhood and all that crazy stuff. People are jumping in, and the stock markets that are basically at all-time high, and every single stock out there, especially tech stocks, are going through the roof. We have deep warning signals facing this economy. How can it be that the stocks are going up and up and up and up, but the head of the Federal Reserve, who has a pulse on this economy, is giving us a warning? It's not just a warning, it's a dire warning. They are saying there's going to be a shift in economy, it's a reset button. They hit the reset button and everything's going to go flat, potentially down for a very long time. Even with a vaccine. Yes, there's vaccines like this one. There's vaccines like this one out in the, not soon to be out in the market, but that wouldn't have any difference. Those vaccines are still months, if not a year or two away. Even though if they come out on the marketplace, they're going to take several months probably to get through the whole population. And even with that, there's not going to be an effect on the actual businesses for a while. Just because you have a vaccine, everything's going to be hunky-dory. All the money's coming back to your pockets, back to your bank account. All the money that's lost from these small businesses, all the rent, all the customers, all the shutdown period that they was totally lost, is that going to just all of a sudden reappear? No. So we have two different things. We have the stock market, we have Main Street. And when they are totally separate, then we have to think about it. What is the real deal? What is reality? So what reality is basically for you and me. We jump in the game of the stock market and try to make a quick buck. That is not actually our game. For the short term, it's not. Long term is a just different story. That game is for big investors, people with a lot of money, with a lot of capital, people who, I don't want to say control the markets, but those people who control, basically, yes, they control that market. Their business is to get us, the regular people, put all the money in, and then they take it, okay? It's a cycle that happens every 10, 15, sometimes 20 years, and the cycle is about to repeat itself again. So right now, most of you have a fear of missing out. FOMO, what does that mean? You see your friend, you see your coworker, you see your cousin, aunt, or uncle talking about Tesla and Amazon and Apple and how much money they're making. Then you don't know about stocks, you don't know investments, you don't know PE ratios, you don't know money supply, you don't know what the Fed, you don't know all that crap. You just say, I want to just put my money in, then more money's going to come out. That is just not true for the long run. That is just not how things work. Okay? No. The average investor is just chasing a quick buck. Okay? And if you want to chase a quick buck, the stock market is not where you want to go. Vast majority of people who invest in stocks, put money in the stock market, lose. It's just a fact. You put money in, you invest in, especially for the short market, try and make that quick buck, you're going to lose. Okay? The long-term game is different because basically stock market is a hedge on inflation. That's another video. But most people are just trying to chase that quick buck right now, and it's not worth it. And another reason why it's not worth it, because even the money that you do make in the stock market, is that going to change your life? Okay, if you have $10,000 to invest, you make 10%, 20%. Is that going to change your life? No. But guess what you're doing? You're worried about it. You're checking your stock market. You're checking your apps every single day. You're going crazy when Tesla goes up $1 or $2. You think you're freaking on top of the world when it goes up a few bucks, right? That's not going to change your life. You're going to change your life not stocks. When I mean you actually doing something active, participation in your life through a side hustle, through gaining skills, starting a business, doing some stuff online, doing these videos, something like that, where you create something that's going to be the biggest impact on your life. And most people are not creating, they're not developing something, they're not growing. They're just trying to throw in some money in the stock market and try to think they're going to, be rich. That's just not where the money's at. And the people that are investing right now and doing it, mostly so many young people are doing it, they're going to have a hard lesson to face when the market crashes and they follow that market all the way down. Mark my words, it's going to happen. Most likely. So please follow my channel. I have a ton of stuff going on with brick and mortar businesses, online businesses, inventions, real estate, all that good stuff, okay? But right now, I want to give this message to you guys right now. Be careful if you're in the stock market. If it starts to go down, do not hold. Sell, 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 sell. Get out and be safe. Okay, fam. Good luck. Love you all.